In this video I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the KM02. This device is a USB to CAT extender. So let me take them out and then I'll show you what you would use it for. So here we have our transmitter. So this plugs into the USB of your computer. You then make up a network cable, run the network cable up to 50 meters, and essentially if you look at the image over there, you'll be able to control a USB keyboard and mouse through this device. Now, where you would use this, let's say that you have a DVR that you want hidden away. So you would install it in a strong room or hide it away somewhere within your house. You would be able to then run a keyboard and a mouse and use that at the remote point. So you can use a HDMI extender for the video and use this extender for the mouse functionality. And if somebody does have to break in, they wouldn't know where your device is installed unless they trace the cables physically. But this is quite a handy solution when you want your device to remain secure in a safe place and then still be able to control it remotely. If you guys have got any questions or comments or you need some help, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you.